Guess who's back? Me. So today is gonna be a very long day. I am finally redecorating my bedroom. Let me show you guys what I have right now. My goal for today, I'm basically gonna take this whole entire setup, put it over here, and then add some like wall art, and then move that lamp over to that side. I'm still waiting on a couch for my bedroom because I really want to put like a couch right here for like an extra seating when I have friends over. I also have this chair that I want to do something with it. I got it from Facebook Market and I removed the cushion off because they were really ugly. And I kind of want to like do something with it for the bedroom. So I will be doing that. Probably not today. And then for the final thing, I want to build like a tile table at the end of the bed because I think that would be really cute and just like for some decorations. I also want to paint the wall like really bad. I don't know, like should I paint the whole entire room one color or should I just do one accent one? And also I have this giant sliding door that I want to do something with it. Maybe like wallpaper would be really cool, like swiggly wallpaper, but like that's for future projects. I'm not gonna do that right now, but I eventually want to do something with it, you know? So for today's project, I think I only need to go to Ikea to get some shelving. I also haven't eaten yet, so I might grab some food on the way, or like Starbucks or something. And then maybe the antique mall for decoration, but we'll see. With that being said, let's get the fuck out. I just got to Starbucks and I'm debating if I should get matcha or pumpkin spice latte because I know that's back. I think I'm gonna go with matcha. Who am I kidding? I love matcha. So anyway, I'm waiting in line right now and it's pretty long and I'm gonna tell you guys a story of my flooded apartment. Basically, whenever I first moved in, literally 4 days later, I found out that the washer and dryer did not work because they didn't hook up any of the hose or the plug. And so I contacted maintenance and they came over and they fixed everything, which is great. Yeah, love it. They were like, yeah, everything is fixed. Everything should be good to go. And so I went and washed my clothes and they forgot to hook the drainage hose, which is like a big deal because clean water comes in, dirty water comes out. Come out of what? Nowhere. So yeah, and my apartment got flooded. So that's the story. Can I get the matcha frappuccino venti and can I get 5 pumps of classic with that?
Matcha frappuccino venti and with, I'm sorry, what was that?
5 pumps of classic.
5 pumps of classic.
And can I also get a chocolate croissant to go with that?
A chocolate croissant?
Yes.
Okay, anything else?
That's all.
I'll see the window, thank you.
Thank you.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for talking.
Our card.
Alright, have a good one.
Thank you, you too. This is awkward. I need my phone for the GPS because I don't know the way to Ikea, so I will be right back. Look how cute this setup is. Oh my god, I am obsessed. This rug kind of ate. I kind of want it. Fuck. Oh my god. It's the fact that I only come here for like a few things and now I just want everything. And I cannot do that. We have a budget, so I need to stick to, oh my god. This couch reminds me of the Amhu couch, which I'm obsessed. Fit check. I have really bad anxiety filming in the public, but literally today is a random Tuesday in the afternoon and nobody's here at Ikea, so good for me. Yay. because it's getting a little creepy because where is everyone? Where's everyone? That's kind of cute. That's kind of cute. I'm finally in the marketplace and now we're gonna go look for that shelf. I think it's in the wall art department, but I'm not sure. I might have to ask someone. This is the shelf that I need, but I need a longer version, so I'm gonna go look for that. That's kind of slay. That's kind of cute. I don't need this. Oh my god, please tell me I don't need this. It's so cute. This is so cute. You're coming home with me. My next project is to make my bathroom green, and this doormat is literally perfect for it. I have to get it. Honestly, I'm pretty proud of myself because I didn't overspend and I only got like 4 things, so. Alexa, bedroom on. Yay! Well, that's a wrap. This is only halfway done because I'm still waiting on my couch to come, and I'm still gonna make some more furniture for the bedroom. As soon as the stuff comes, I'm gonna film part 2 for my bedroom makeover. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye! Wait. Bye. Mr. Man, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Cut! God!